Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today under the topic Introduction to Trigonometry, let's see what exactly we have in the question. Now moving on to the question, it is given that state whether the following is true or false. Justify your answer. Sin theta is equal to 4 upon 3 for some angle theta. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Moving on to solution. So guys, as per this question, it is being asked like we need to say or we need to prove whether the following is true or false, and we need to justify our answer. And the given question is like sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. So let me write down the question. Sin A. So the question is like sin theta, not A, sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. For some angle theta. Guys, we very well know that sin theta. So if you look into the figure ABC, it is right angle at angle C and theta is the angle B. So if you look here, what is sin theta here? Sin theta is nothing but, we very well know that sin theta is the opposite side of angle theta. Opposite side of angle theta upon hypotenuse. Or in other words, looking at this figure also, I can write it is AC. I can write it is AC upon AB. Okay, AC is nothing but opposite side of angle theta upon hypotenuse is nothing but AB. So guys, what do you observe? If you look into this right angle triangle, or we very well know that in a right angle triangle the hypotenuse is always greater than the other two sides. Okay. Now here it is being given like sin theta is equal to 4 by 3, but 4 AC is 4. How can this AC will be 4? This is 4. You could see that it is given like 4 is the greater than the hypotenuse. If we consider 4 is the one of the sides AC or something, and 3 is the hypotenuse. So this is not correct, because always the hypotenuse should always be greater, and if it is the hypotenuse, it should be in the denominator, not on the numerator. So for that reason we can say this statement is false. So this is completely ruled out, and we can say that since hypotenuse is the, we can write since hypotenuse is the largest side of a right angle triangle, is the largest side of a right angle triangle. Since hypotenuse is the largest side of a right angle triangle, hence always denominator will be greater. Hence always denominator will be greater than the numerator, because if you look into the sin theta, as per the formula, what we have the hypotenuse in the denominator. So for that reason we could say that hence always denominator will be greater than the numerator. Thus sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 when numerator is more than the denominator. Will never, sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 when numerator is more than the denominator will never exist. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. We always know that sin theta is the opposite side of angle theta upon hypotenuse, and in a right angle triangle always hypotenuse is more than the other two sides. So definitely hypotenuse is here in the denominator. So definitely we should always see the denominator value is more than the other numerator values. Therefore If you look here, they have given sin theta is equal to 4 by 3. That means they have given numerator is more and the denominator less, which is impossible. Guys, I hope you understood this calculation or this process or this thought. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.